Hello everyone. To download MySQL, first type MySQL download on your search bar. Here you can see MySQL download. In below you find MySQL Installer 8.0.41. Click on it, and in below you find Windows 86 32-bit MySQL download. It's in download for 32 and 64-bit. So click on download here. Okay, and MySQL community downloads. No thanks, and click on it. Okay, you find this, and I have already downloaded this, so don't want to download it again. Okay, after complete your download, go to your folder and click on it. Okay, preparing to install. Please wait a while Windows configure MySQL installer. Click yes. Gathering require time remaining 7 seconds. Click yes. Okay, MySQL installer, I find it. Okay, choosing a setup type, I click custom. Next, select product, available products, plus and plus n and plus n. Here you find MySQL Server 8.0.41 for 64-bit, and click the arrow sign. Then application Workbench, MySQL Workbench 8.0. Okay, click on it and click the arrow sign. Product to be installed. Then MySQL shell. Click on it and click arrow sign. Okay. Then click on next to install this product. Okay, execute. It's installing. You can see the process percentage. 90%, 100%. MySQL Workbench installing. 83%, 87, 90, 99. 100% it's complete. Status, you can see. Now it's installing MySQL shell. Okay, you can see the percentage: 0%, 1%, 4%. Okay, 20, 30. Wait for complete the process. 43. %, 63%, You have to follow this path for this MySQL installer. Then we have to go product configuration, then installation will be complete. Okay, ready to configure. Okay, next development computer port, you can see, and export port. Okay with this. Authentication method, use strong password and encryption for authentication, recommended, so I use it. Okay, and type your strong password, then later it will need to for your security purpose. Type your password and save it on your notebook. Okay, my password is Saint Medium. I click on next. Okay, Windows service, configure MySQL as Windows service. Okay, then click on next. You can see the file location. Okay, yes, and next, execute. Writing a configuration file, updating Windows firewall rules, adjusting Windows service, initializing database may take a long time, updating permissions for the data folder and related server. You can see everything is done. Apply configuration, and now it's finished. Okay, configuration complete, and then click next. You can see installation complete. Click lock. But click next, finish. Okay, you can see MySQL shell is open, and also workbench is opened. Okay, I close this. You have to set up MySQL locally, so search edit system variable, okay, environment variable, then system variable, find the path. Okay, you have to find your path. So I go to C drive, program files, then click on MySQL, and MySQL server, bin. You can see MySQL exe file and many more things. So click on it, and we'll see copy. Okay, then go new, paste. Okay, and okay, and open our CMD. Yeah, so click on MySQL icon version. Here you can see MySQL version 8.0.41. okay, and type MySQL u for username, and root p. Here you can see username is root, and I have to enter password. So previous time what I can keep to install password, then I have I have to put on here. Okay, here you can see welcome to MySQL monitor. Okay, everything is working. very nice. Okay, you can see show databases semicolon, and you can see the default databases. I can create databases, create database, that is LemonDB. Okay, you can see query okay, one row affected. Okay, now if I show databases, I can see LemonDB is added to our new database. So I think you have got an idea how to install new latest version MySQL. So thanks for today. Bye bye.